recording. Be viewing on this.
What's that? It's recording again. I did this. Okay, it's recording. Show them.
Look at this farm world track. Wait. Do you think a tractor could be a train?
No.
Dump truck could be a train. It could be a train. The giant ones can.
Okay.
Let's go on over where all the cats are. We have like 7 cats. Or 10.
No, we have 5 cats.
We have about 5.
Yeah. Okay, show me this. Show me. No, they need to see it. I'm not uploading this video.
No,
then.
please.
Come on, bro.
Okay, look at it.
There's
I'm
the
not,
bottom.
I'm not uploading.
Gray tire.
Okay, no, we're not uploading this video.
Shut
Come
up.
on.
What does that say? Farm.
Farm Road. Watch how fast it's gonna go. Oh, it's just wrapped.
Okay, show.
This thing could go up and down.
Show them that it spins. That little thing spins. Yeah, that.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, wait. I had a great idea. Stop it. Wait. Don't look over now. Just look at that. Just look at that. Oh. This is... We're going to do the next review.
Okay, make it do this.
We're going to do the next review.
Launch it into the wall. Don't tell them, don't spoil their... Okay, launch it into the wall.
Yeah, I'm going to go all the way over here. You guys can see it. Oh.
Did it break?
Okay, no, it didn't.
What broke?
It's just a cat.
Okay, no, it might break. It might break. It might break. Bro, I'm not uploading this video.
Look at this tractor.
Oh, no, I said end the video.
No.
Ending it.